The bell is ringing. Class is about to start. We should go inside.
Let's go inside.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear students.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, teacher.
Students, hope you all are doing well. Did you all revise the previous lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Great! So, students, today we will learn something new, which is about 5 pillars of Islam. But before starting the topic of 5 pillars of Islam, we will discuss about Islam. Can anyone tell me what is Islam? Yes, Syra. Please tell me, what do you know about Islam?
Islam is the religion followed by Muslims. It is the religion of peace.
Yes, that's right. Very good, Syra. And who are Muslims? Can anyone tell me?
People who follow the religion of Islam are Muslims.
And Hira, what does Muslim mean? Do you know?
Yes, teacher. Muslims mean to submit the will of Allah, to worship only Allah.
MashaAllah, excellent, Hira. So, my dear students, as everyone needs some support to stand together stronger, like our body needs bones to stand stronger, our house needs blocks and pillars to stand stronger. Just like that, our religion Islam also needs pillars to stand stronger. There are 5 pillars of Islam. These are the principles that every Muslim must believe and act upon it sincerely. My dear kids, the 5 pillars are Shahada, number 1. Number 2, Salah, namaz. Number 3, fasting. Number 4, zakat. Number 5, Hajj. Today we will discuss pillar number 1, one that is Shahada. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, meaning there is no God but Allah. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger of Allah. It means Allah created us and everything all alone. He is the only one whom we worship, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last messenger who guided us according to the instructions of Allah. The Holy Quran, the last holy book revealed on him, if we will follow the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, we will get success in this life and hereafter.
Jazakallah, teacher, for providing us such information that is not only important for this world but after death as well.
Bayaki, my kids. So, my dear children, don't forget to revise the lesson. Inshallah. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.